Taking a break from their duties, Gordon and Thomas were having an argument at some points. They were arguing over who was fastest.
Ho, 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 little Thomas. You really think you're faster than me? I bet I can whiz around the whole island with this mail car, faster than you can lug your 2 old rust buckets around half of it. Ho, ho, ho.
Oi, you bloody great windbag. I and Grabber are not rust buckets, and I am faster than you, even if I'm pulling that mail car, and the sex trucks, and Cranky, and a plane.
Well, I'm still faster than that, even if I am pulling Sir Topham Hatt.
Taking everything into consideration, this latest comment from Gordon seemed to have pretty much won the argument.
Right, that's it! Oi, Cranky!
Yeah.
You've got a great vantage point up there. You can be referee.
Okay. Referee of what?
The race we're about to have. We don't go!
Oi, you! That's not fair!
Gordon decided that the quickest way to catch up to Thomas would be to take a shortcut over the Great Suspension Bridge. But despite his large size, Gordon was so pathetically weak and feeble he couldn't actually get up the Great Suspension Bridge on his own.
Thank you, Big Hand.
And the race was on. Thomas and Gordon were randomly whizzing around at breakneck speeds. Cranky was having great difficulty keeping up with both of them. Just up ahead on Gordon's line, a Lego police van was pursuing a Lego criminal across the level crossing.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Sorry.
Cranky decided to shout out one last desperate plea to his racing friends.
Slow down, guys, slow down.
But it was no good. Due to the complete absence of any sort of planning and or preparation prior to the beginning of the race, both Gordon and Thomas were heading straight towards each other in Cranky's little cul-de-sac.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
And that would have been that, except that for the molecules got together and had a conference, and decided that the best course of action would be to explode substantially.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Eventually, the Fat Controller heaved himself over to the crash site. He decided to move the whole railway business over to the nearby island of Odors, which had just for some reason never been mentioned previously in any Thomas the Tank Engine books, videos, TV shows, museum exhibits, etc., etc. It just hadn't come up, quite simply. Thomas and Gordon were able to be mostly reconstituted from various scraps of metal and wood blown about the island by the explosion, and the island of Soda was left in peace to recover naturally from a nuclear fallout. Thank you for watching, and tune in again soon. Bye bye from